Good morning students. Welcome back to online classes. Now 8th class students, I am going to start second unit 2. Previous session we have finished first unit. Okay, now look at the children. All of you take your textbooks. You should open second unit page number 18 and 19. Now children, the title is here is Oliver asks for more. Oliver asks for more. Before going to lesson, here is introduction of the theme. The theme is here social issues. Now look at the children. Social issues. The first one is here poverty. Second one is slavery. Third one is illiteracy. Fourth one is inequalities. Fourth one is here inequalities. First one is here poverty. Second one is here illiteracy. Third one is here inequalities. Fourth one, last one is here slavery. You know children, poverty means having no money. The poor condition. So in the society we found poor people. So it is also one of the issue because the family is poor. Such family, their children did not send their children to schools having no money. They should prefer to work to earn money. In this way, their children are not sending money. So they always think about how to exist, how to lead the simple life. They want only food and shelter now. They don't want any, that is more and more. So it's when it should be rooted out. It should be rooted out only some of the families. That is, they work hard, but they don't think about their children. They are not working hard in the same way. They thought that their children would do better position. Their children would see better position. So that some of the families, they send their children to schools, even though they are poor. So, after a long time, that is those children studied well and they got good job, then their poverty will be, that is root out. For these families, especially some of the families, in this way, poverty will be rooted out. But some of the families still existence of the poor because they are, that is not educating, because they don't have any money, they didn't show any kind of interest towards them. Next one is illiteracy, that is having no, these people especially before 90s, here 80s or 70s centuries or before 90s, 1950s or 1960s, before that, so illiteracy, especially 60%, 50% of the people, population entirely having, these people, they don't know how to write, they don't go to the school because of the poor circumstances, having lack of awareness. So that illiteracy gradually the government should take, there is implementation, especially giving importance of education, creating awareness. So those who people educated in different how they benefited, and government give the prior importance for giving education. So the problem will be rooted out. Next one is here inequalities. For the last 200 centuries ago, 300 centuries ago, the problem is common. But at present, that is people almost all, they are going to do so much work, so many difficult situations, they are doing so many works, so that inequality is also going on, that it is also, the problem also root out. The final is here slavery, but in India that is, we can't see, but in Britain, USA, that is, some of the countries in the 18th centuries or in 17th centuries, the problem is here is slavery. The problem is here slavery. So it is one of the social issue, major problem of the faced by the great nation United States of America, USA. So okay, now children, so how we are going to abolish social issues, avoid social issues? By creating awareness through an education. Okay, now children, look at your textbook, page number 19. So now this is the lesson. Here is Oliver. So here is Oliver lesson. Here is, now look at this child. Here is the lesson. Here is this is the picture of the lesson, Oliver, and here is board, live board, and here is live board. Now children, in the lesson it is we are going to, that is see the word live board, and here is a small boy who is standing here on the dais. He is Oliver. He is Oliver, and next person here is Mr. Bumble. He is the master of the workhouse. Now look at children, I am going to explain the lesson. Just you should follow. I have already told you should take pencil and write down the meanings when you feel difficult words. Now children, the first paragraph I am going to read. The title, Oliver asks for more. Here Oliver is third person singular. So here is a verb, we should write yes. Yes, there here asks yes. For more. Here for more means generally the context of the lesson is here food. He asked more food. He asked more food. Why? Because he has very much hungry. So that he wanted to get more and more food. So here Oliver, who is Oliver? Oliver is an orphan boy. What do you mean by orphan? Orphan means a child who doesn't have parents, whose parents are not there, whose parents are dead, whose parents are not known, is called orphan. So an orphan boy is Oliver. So ask means a verb is yes in third person singular. That is for more means already told you something, that is here food. Okay children, now that is beginning of the first paragraph. This is an extract. Extract means taken from. Extract means taken from the novel. Here Oliver Twist. Oliver Twist is the name of the novel, which is written by Charles Dickens. Charles Dickens. So here is written by the British novelist Charles Dickens, year 1812 to 1870. It is the story of an orphan boy. The novel here is shows that the story of an orphan boy. It is a novel. It that is tells us a story of an orphan boy. Oliver Twist is the name of the novel. Who wrote? Here Charles Dickens. Charles Dickens is written by Charles Dickens. Here what does it convey? It conveys a story of an orphan boy. A story of an orphan boy. Children, here is a book. What is the book? Oliver Twist. Name of the novel. Who wrote? Written by Charles Dickens. Who is he? He is a famous British novelist, especially for children. He wrote so many short stories and essays and many books, especially children. Especially children. Now, it tells us a story of an orphan boy. Here we are going to know that an orphan boy is known as Oliver. That is Oliver. That is Oliver. Named Oliver, an orphan boy named Oliver, who is brought to a children's home. Generally, some children they don't have parents. They left that is they died. So these children kept, especially children's homes. Especially we found that is so many societies is going to be run. Next, Mr. Paragraph. Second paragraph, no children. Mr. Bumble. Here is he is an in charge. He is an in charge. Bumble. B-U-M-B-L-E. Bumble. Walking on with long strides. Here is now children. Here is long stride. This is long stride. పెద్ద పెద్ద అంగలు వేసుకుంటూ నడవడం. ఒక కాలు ఇక్కడ వేసామనుకోండి పెద్ద అంగం అవుతుంది. లాంగ్ స్ట్రైడ్స్ మీన్స్ వాకింగ్. స్ట్రైడ్స్ మీన్స్ వాకింగ్. A man of pride. A man of pride. A man of arrogance. A man of arrogance. He is liking walking. A man of pride. పెద్ద పెద్ద అంగలు వేసుకుంటూ గర్వంతో ఒక అధికారంతో నడుస్తున్నటువంటి వ్యక్తి. He is Bumble. He is Bumble. Long strides. Little Oliver. Here is Oliver is a very small kid. Oliver is very small. Firmly grasping. Grasping means here children. Holding. Grasping means holding. గట్టిగా పట్టుకోవడం. His gold laced cup trotted beside him. He says walking beside Bumble. He afraid that because he doesn't know anything else. He is a small kid. Children, so he is very small. Then he does not know. That is why he is going to be called. Now, children, third paragraph. Oliver had not been within the walls of the workhouse a quarter of an hour. So within 1 hour, Oliver does not see in the workhouse. 1 hour వరకు Oliver ఆ workhouse లో ఎవరికి కనిపించలేదు. Because people that is in charge. Bumble is asking where is Oliver in this way. Oliver had not been within the walls of the workhouse a quarter of an hour. That is 15 minutes. 15 minutes నుంచి Oliver he disappeared. We think we don't know where he goes. When Mr. Bumble informed him that the board had said he was to appear before it worth. Before it worth means it is a idiom. Immediately. Before it worth means here immediately. Here who informed? That is board members. Board means it is consists of a few members are there assembled and to discuss one particular thing here. That is Oliver is not appeared. So for 15 minutes, but board that is called him to come and attend the particular place. So he does not. That is see because he had left away some place. So children, first 3 paragraphs I explained. The first paragraph is going to say only introduction of the novel Oliver Twist, written by Charles Dickens in the year 1812. And second paragraph is Mr. Bumble. He is the person, he is in charge of the workhouse. He is a caretaker of also little Oliver. And the same time Oliver followed Mr. Bumble. Third paragraph is here Oliver. Generally before that Oliver he is that is not appeared within 15 minutes. Mr. Bumble informed him that the board, you know children, what is meant by board? Board means 5 or 6 members assembled or gathered to discuss a particular thing or particular any event. Said he was to appear before it worth. It worth means here immediately. That is here who is calling? Board members calling Oliver. That is immediately he attended along with whom? Mr. Bumble. Now children, that is I saw this is a picture. Here is board members. Here is small boy who is Oliver, and he is Mr. Bumble. Beside he is standing, he is small, little. Here a little Oliver, he is, that is, okay, he is Mr. Bumble. Now children, I think by next class I shall continue the lesson. You should read once and note down the difficult words. Thank you.